Welcome back to ThaiTube, episode 3 of this mini-series, Hidden Fates tin opening. This is episode 3, starring the Charizard tin. Super duper exciting. Guys, in the past 2 episodes, the Raichu and the Gyarados tins, we had pulled some heat. Let me know in the link below which one has been your favorite pull so far. Without further ado, we're gonna get into this one. Woo, super excited, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for the love and support so far. Thank you so much for everything, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this show. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. I hope you guys are all staying well, staying safe. Let's go. What will we pull today in Hidden Fates? Holy smokes. Let's go. Man, my heart is already pounding with this Charizard tin. I don't know, I just have a feeling that, I just have a gut feeling that something special is going to be out of this tin. Holy smokes, look at that. Promo. Hey, if we didn't pull anything, I love the promos though on these tins. The Gyarados, the Raichu, and the Charizard. Holy smokes. Because we got 4 packs. Okay, different arts today. Well, 2 of the same. The previous episodes we have all arts. Wow. Let's get right into it, guys. Let's get right into business. No messing around today with the Charizard. Let's go. Mew, first pack magic. Wow, my heart is already pounding. I'm excited to see what we can pull today. Code card for you guys. 1, 2, 3, and 4. To the front. Let's go. Fighting energy. Lieutenant Surge. Pokemon Center Lady, Sabrina's Suggestions, Snake, Eevee, Pikachu, Clefairy, Jigglypuff, ooh, Magnemite, ah, Baby Shiny, and a Snorlax. Cute card, but look at what, man, these cards are super nice, the Baby Shinies. Magnemite, and you can feel the texture. It seems a little bit heavier than the regular ones. Super nice. We'll put that there. Mewtwo. Let's go. Pack number 2. What will we pull, guys? What will we pull? Code card for you guys. 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the front. Woo. Super excited, guys. Brock's Grit, Skyther, Jinx, Eevee, Pikachu, Clefairy, Jigglypuff, Caterpie, Magmar Reverse Holo, and a Jesse and James holographic. Magmar and a Jesse and James holographic. Sweet. There we go. Let's leave these babies up because they're beautiful. Wow, guys. 2 packs left. Zapdos. Here we go. Just like that. 2 packs left. Cannot wait to see what we pull today. Code card for you guys. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Energy. Brock's Future City Gym. Giovanni's Exile. Saint Surge's Strategy. Clefairy. Eevee. Ekans. Paras. Caterpie. Ooh, Pokemon Center Lady. And a Jolteon. Right. We'll put that there. Last pack magic, baby. Let's go. let's see what we can pull from the Charizard tin. Comment below which tin do you find so far in this mini-series was your favorite. Code card for you guys. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Woo. Let's go. Metal Energy. Lieutenant Surge Strategy. Misty. Pokemon Center Lady. Caterpie. Chorus. Charmander. Slowpoke. Psyduck. And a baby shiny Gibble. That is a neat card. Holy smokes. Last pack. And we have Misty's Water Command. Look at that. Wow. Alright. So we didn't get the Charizard. Yeah. But we've got some neat pulls on this episode, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed so far. Let's just recap what we had pulled. Right, so we have the Misty's Water Command holographic. We have the Gibble, Baby Shine, Pokemon Center Lady, Jesse and James holographic, a Magmar Reverse Holo, and a Baby Shiny Magnemite. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the show. That concludes our mini-series of the 3 Hidden Fates tins. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe below. Again, thank you so much. Until next time, stay well.